Okay, so today is Saturday, January 6th, and this is my rant for the day. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about some stuff, but first I want to say this. Summer Walker, why every time I go on my explore page and they posting your babies, they ass is covered? Girl, if you don't want no one to see the windows to the souls of your children, you know you don't have to post them. Why keep posting them and then covering their eyes? Like, girl, just stop posting the children. We know you got babies. We don't need to see your babies but not see your babies. Like, for real, for real. You covering up their face, you covering up their eyes. Girl, it's not that serious. Listen, and if you want to post your children, post it in close friends so your close friends and your close family can see your babies, or post it or take a picture and send it to your friends, because it's like quite annoying. Like, why are you doing this? Like, you don't want us to see the children, but you want us to see the children. I'm confused. And speaking of posting, I am so tired of seeing these gossip blogs post Hazel E ex-husband or husband, Kiki Palmer's baby daddy. Like, why are y'all posting and why are y'all promoting this man being disrespectful to the mother of his children? Like, he's not going to see it. Like, they're not going to see it. This is not news. This is sad. This is trauma. This is showing men that it's okay to be disrespectful and bash women publicly, the mother of their children, the woman that brought life into their life and creating generations to come after them. Like, Hazel E, once she broke up with him, he shouldn't have been famous. Kiki Palmer, we don't even know him. You know what I'm saying? We didn't know him. I didn't know anything about him until he started posting disrespectful things about Kiki Palmer. And this is my thing: Hollywood Unlocked, the Shade Room, the Neighborhood Talk, Gossip in the City are always posting things that are derogatory to the Black American family. They will post a baby mama, Jada Waiter, but they won't post a wife. They will post drama, but they won't post happiness. They will post a negative family situation, but they aren't quick to post a happy family scenario. The girl Tasha from Power, she done got married and had a baby, and y'all ain't posted her. Y'all ain't said nothing about happiness was going on with her, but let some drama come up. Let her husband come and talk crazy about her and disrespect her. Y'all gonna be so quick to post it. And this is my thing. When I got pregnant with my son at 19 years old, my family was like, oh, you gonna be married. My son's father was like, we getting married. Fast forward 20 years, my cousins having babies. They ain't married, and everybody applauding them. Oh, they doing so well. Such and such doing so good, doing good, doing work, working a job, living paycheck to paycheck, living in a house that needs to be fixed up, having babies out of wedlock. You keep having babies out of wedlock, and this is applaudable. This is my thing. This generation now is really sad. Women who are not wives, women who are baby mamas, single mothers are applauded more than wives. They are not pushing the scenario in the Black American culture of the Black family. And that's a problem, because when a household is missing the divine masculine and the divine feminine energy, there's an issue. And that's why a lot of these children have trauma. That's why there's a lot of drugs. That's where there's a lot of hypersexuality, because the family unit no longer exists. Y'all need to realize what is being pushed on us every single day. It's sad. And when you don't have the divine feminine, you don't have divine masculine energy in the home, you have children that don't really have any morals, that don't really have a real substance. I'm telling you this because I see it over and over and over again. You need the mother to come in and nurture to teach certain things. You need the father to come in and put structure and be supportive and protective and put certain things. But now in today's society, you got the baby daddy being petty online. You got the baby mama showing all she can online for likes and for brand deals and Fashion Nova deals and all this, but you aren't pushing the narrative of the family unit. And everyone who was born in a single family home knows that having two parents is very vital. Very vital. Or for those who have raised children and their children are gone and their children are grown and they didn't have a father or a mother there, they know how hard it was and how it affected the children. Okay, these kids is young right now, but when they grow up, they're going to grow up in a dysfunction, or they're going to grow up not even knowing how to have a capable, unconditional loving relationship because they didn't grow up seeing. I know so many people that don't know any married people. In my family, marriage was very prevalent until after my generation. Now I don't know what's going on, but this is my word of the day. I just had to address it because I'm overseeing these petty baby daddies online and these baby mamas being celebrated for absolutely nothing. I'm done.